Hello and namaste. I am Arjun Chakrabarti and you are watching me on Filmy Beat.
आपने एक तरीके से अपना पूरा बेस शिफ्ट कर लिया है
जी,
मुंबई जस्ट फॉर
करना
दिस
पड़ा।
शो.
काफ़ी बड़ा डिसीजन तो है ही because till date I have been working in Bengal. ये मेरा डेब्यू है हिंदी में. My father is the ultimate inspiration, Mr. Sabyasachi Chakrabarti. The only formula I know is to do your work confidently and convincingly.
There are also some glimpses of horror also, and this is one such genre जो television पे चलता है.
This is not just prioritizing the horror angle. Supernatural abilities है.
Hi guys, this is Kinnari Singh. Welcome to Filmy Beat, and today we are at the launch of Nayanthara. तो सबसे पहले तो बहुत congratulations.
Thank you so
And the first question is that we just got to know कि आपने एक तरीके से अपना पूरा बेस शिफ्ट कर लिया है
जी,
मुंबई जस्ट फॉर
करना
दिस
पड़ा।
शो. सो आई एम श्योर कुछ तो ऐसा अटेम्प्ट किया होगा कि आपने इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लिया. एनीथिंग विच यू कैन लेट अस नो अबाउट दैट.
हाँ, काफ़ी बड़ा डिसीजन तो है ही because till date I have been working in Bengal. ये मेरा डेब्यू है हिंदी में.
जी,
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अब तक.
राइट. बट व्हाट वाज दैट वन रीजन कि यू नो बिकॉज अपना पूरा बेस शिफ्ट करना, अपने शहर को छोड़ना, इट्स नॉट एन इजी थिंग. सो
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली. लेकिन हिंदी में अगर एक शो करना है और ये 25 दिन का एक फिल्म नहीं है, 20 दिन का या 30 दिन का, ये एक शो है
Right.
जो चलने वाली है और आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो और भी चलेगी. तो इसके लिए तो यहाँ रहना पड़ेगा.
Right.
सो आई हैड टू शिफ्ट एंड गेट अ प्लेस हियर.
Right, right. You know, talking about show का जो background है, you know, the whole Kolkata setup, the whole Bengali thing, it has usually worked in Hindi television also. हमने कई बार देखा है जो भी popular shows हैं और उनमें से अधिकतर जो हैं उनका वो adaptation रहते हैं बंगाली shows के, which I've seen in television. So talking about this show, if you're very confident about the show that it will work or it will connect with the audience, what is that one thing which you want the audience to know?
The only formula I know is to do your work confidently and convincingly. तो और मुझे शोज़ के ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड के बारे में भी नहीं पता, मुझे कोई फार्मूला के बारे में भी नहीं पता. होपफुली आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा क्योंकि एक फ्रेशनेस है स्टोरी में. मेरे लिए भी एक बहुत ही अलग एक्सपीरियंस है.
Right. Any work difference, like any work culture difference which you are finding जो वहाँ पे और यहाँ पे?
बहुत सारे माइनर डिफरेंसेस है. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं पिन पॉइंट कर सकता हूँ, ऐसा कोई डिफरेंस तो है नहीं. हिंदी इज़ अ बिगर इंडस्ट्री with a larger appeal. तो वो एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एंगल है.
Right. It's a thriller show.
Yes.
Yeah. There are also some glimpses of horror also, and this is one such genre जो television पे चलता है. I mean, if it clicks with the audience, वो बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है. And the same channel has shows like Nagin and a lot of shows which has worked. So somewhere do you think that show like Nagin or maybe anything which they have done will be a bit of competition to this show?
हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट जस्ट प्रायोरिटाइजिंग द हॉरर एंगल. सुपरनैचुरल एबिलिटीज है. नयनतारा भूत देख सकती है, लेकिन एट इट्स हार्ट, एट द कोर, आई थिंक इट इज अ लव स्टोरी एंड अ फैमिली ड्रामा.
Right, right. How's it working with the cast? Tell me.
Lovely. Narayani ma'am is a senior. So Mr. Vicky Ahuja, Mrs. Moon Banerjee, they're all seniors. And Shruti and I hit it off from day one. जब से हम
Right.
mock shoot करने आए थे यहाँ, तो तब से with Ravi sir's guidance, I think we are all doing well.
Right. Any project which you have done in Kolkata, which you love and which you hope कि one day it will be adapted in Hindi and you would like to star in it of your own project. Is there anything in mind since you have started working now?
Oh, it's difficult. I've done many wonderful projects.
Yeah.
But I think we have the Guptadhon franchise, which is a treasure hunt story.
Okay.
All three characters are important in that. Where my character's name is Abir Lal Roy. So I think it has really clicked with the Bengali audience. It's all three films. It's a trilogy so far. We are also going to have a part 4. So I think that can have a wide appeal if it's made in any other Indian language.
Right, right. You know, lastly, we have also seen, you know, not like abhi ka nahi, ek do saal pehle, lekin now from years, you know, actors who have done mostly regional work, they are of course dabbing into Hollywood, into Bollywood, and they are doing wonders also. But someone whose journey you have seen, like who have come from Bengali cinema and have excelled in other mediums and languages, someone's journey who would really inspire you.
My father is the ultimate inspiration, Mr. Sabyasachi Chakrabarti, because way before the social media and self-PR was a thing,
Right.
he has worked with the biggest directors like Mani Ratnam and Rajkumar Santoshi and Kabir Khan and several others. So he's the ultimate inspiration. And like I said, the best I can do is focus on my work
Right.
and try to do it convincingly.
Right. On this note, I wish you all the best for this show.
Thank you so much.
Anything you want to say to the viewers regarding the show?
We work hard so that you appreciate our work. We do it for you, to tell stories to you. तो प्लीज़ देखिए 9 जून से हर रोज़ रात 8:30 बजे नयनतारा और हॉटस्टार पे कभी भी।